Hi guys. Gonna wait until some more people join. Today we have a special live. If you guys watched my previous free Excel training last month, I shared some rules how you can win $100. And right now we're gonna select the winners with Excel function. And I'm gonna share with you that function with you guys. Hi guys. So excited to see you all today. All right, who is excited to see who's gonna win $100? Say yay in the comments. Hi. Cool, so let's do it, right? So the plan is, here's the plan. Right now, we're gonna select the winners, who is gonna win $100. Then I will share with you guys how you can win $100. And in half an hour, we will have free Excel training, and the link is in my stories. So if you go to my stories, I will see you at my free Excel training in half an hour at 3 p.m. Eastern time. Yay, I see some yays. Okay, cool. Okay, so I was thinking how to select the winner. I mean, obviously it's gonna be a random selection of the number. And since I am an Excel expert, I decided to use cool Excel function to do that. And it's called rand between. So basically it chooses the random number between numbers, right? Like from 1 to 100, let's say. And you can put equal sign rand between and then 1 to 100, and it will give you random numbers for that, for that range. So I don't know if you're gonna see my screen, to be honest, because I can't even, let's see if you're gonna see it. I can't share my screen like on YouTube here. So I'm going to just share, like I'm just gonna flip my camera so you guys can see my screen. Okay, can you see my screen? Say yes if you see my screen. Give money soon. Okay, so can I make it bigger? Let's make it bigger. We are going to use functions called rand between, right? We are starting with equal sign, rand between. Let's select that. You see, guys, rand between. So we're gonna put the bottom and the top number. So bottom number will be 1. And the top number is 12 because 12 people participated in this giveaway. And you just close your bracket and hit enter. Ta-da! Number 10. Okay, let's see. This is person number 10. I am going to text you today or tomorrow morning. You won $100. Cool, right? Okay, so there's gonna be 2 winners today. So let's just do it second time. Again, rand between 1 and 12, and we hit enter. Number 2. This is person number 2. You won $100. Yay! Happy New Year. Okay, guys, I think it was so much fun to use the Excel function for that. What do you guys think? If you saw your name there, you can text me. If you didn't see your name, I mean, if you were whoever won and you're not online, I will text you. Don't worry. I'm gonna save it right now so I don't lose it. Who won? And if you guys a little bit lost and you don't know how those people, participated in this, because I didn't share it like in public. This was shared at my Excel training last month. So the rules are like that. You come to my webinar at my free Excel training, and you watch, what I share with you, Excel formulas and functions. And basically, after the webinar, you share in your stories your, biggest breakthrough, whatever you learned. And you tag me and make sure that your profile is public. And once you do that, I will see all the tags, I will share it, and then I will choose the next person who's gonna win $100, same way on live with a rand between function. So that's how you can do it. And our next free Excel training is in half an hour, so 30 minutes. I will be sharing some very, very cool Excel tips and functions, which helped me and thousands of other people to, speed up their work, to boost their productivity. And those tips are not hard, so you can apply those tips right away into your work. And I'm sure you will see, how your work can get easier and faster if you just use at least those. And you guys can join with the link in my stories in half an hour. Yes, I see someone said that Excel is important nowadays. Yes, Excel is very important, honestly. Like, even like I look at myself and I also look at my students. We're all professionals, we're good at our jobs, but there's a lot of us like a lot of people like us, right? So we need to have that extra skill, which will add, more value to our resume. And then you will work faster compared to your coworkers. You will be Excel expert at your job. That will add so much value to you. And trust me, very little amount of people know Excel well. Like, very little amount of people had the proper Excel training. And you guys use this opportunity. Come, join me today and at least take this first step in learning Excel. Yes, you can, whoever sign up for Excel training will get the recording, but only people who sign up. Just join, can you explain it again? Okay, so basically right now we had a giveaway of $100 and we used rand between function for that. Excel function which chooses random number between range of the numbers. And people who participated are people from my previous free Excel training, and you guys can participate as well if you join my free Excel training right now in 25 minutes. And you can find the link in my stories. This is direct link to the webinar room. You can just, put your name and I will be there in 25 minutes. Yay. Hi guys, how are you? Thank you, I am good. You have any tips to VLOOKUP alternative? XLOOKUP, actually at the training we will go through XLOOKUP as well. So, and everyone who joins the training also gets step-by-step guide of the tips we did today, and also practice file. Right? Yay, let me just go through the comments. Thank you guys. How do you sign up? So just go to my stories, like a little circle with my picture, click on it, and there's gonna be a link. Just click on the link and it will take you straight to the webinar room. All right, I'm excited to see you guys today at the training. I think it's gonna be great. Yay. Thank you so much, guys. I really enjoy sharing those tips with you, and I'm happy that it's helpful. Yes, VLOOKUP will be also covered today. So, is it recorded? Yes, it will be recorded. Recording will get people who are registered for the training. Is it free training? Yes, it's free training. It starts in 20 minutes. What time is the training? In 20 minutes, guys. Oh, thank you. Happy New Year, guys, and Merry Christmas, everyone who celebrates. Happy holidays. Your video are helpful for my job, daily basis. That's awesome. We need help. Like, it's great when we help each other. Contents of the training. So today we will cover some tips to clean up data, because before you analyze data, you have to clean it up to make sure it's in the proper format, to make sure there's no spaces, no duplicates, and all of that. And once your data in a correct format, you can start analyzing with functions and formulas. And today we will cover VLOOKUP and XLOOKUP for that. So I'm excited to see you guys. Link in my stories. So if you go to my profile, you click on my little circle. It's my stories, and you just click there, and there's going to be a link. All right, I'm so excited to see you guys. I'm going to go to prepare right now. So join me, don't miss my training. I will be so excited and so happy to see you all there. Oh, yay, someone signed up. Awesome. And, we'll continue there, because there I can actually share my screen and you can see all the Excel tips. Thank you so much. Yes, we will do data cleanup too. All right, see you guys. See you in 20 minutes. Bye.